This is Dr. Bragg with a tip for a pain-free Friday. I saw a lady today who was in excruciating pain. On the scale 0 to 10, her pain was a 10, and it hurt so bad she could barely stand or walk. But her pain did not radiate down her leg. It stayed right in her back muscles. And when I touched her, she was sore to touch, and she had muscle spasm. She didn't have any numbness and tingling down her legs or no weakness and no bowel or bladder problems. When I asked her what happened, she had been in her yard all day, pruning her bushes, raking leaves, and mowing the yard. She hadn't been doing much over the winter, so she decided it was spring and she was going to do all that in one day. It was too much. I tell you, I have patients who do that every year. And every year they come in with a lumbar strain, a muscle strain, where they have done repetitive bending and twisting in their yard and didn't do any warm-up exercises, didn't apply ice, didn't do anything. Just went out there to their yard and started cutting bushes and raking leaves. I tell you, it's guaranteed to pay for my car when you keep doing that every year. And so what did I do for her? I gave her an anti-inflammatory medication, told her to apply ice to the area, and then I gave her some stretching exercises. Now, I have a tip for you. If you go to my website, knockoutpain.com, you can download my treatment for a lumbar strain. And I'm going to also give you 10 steps to help you reduce your risk of getting a lumbar strain when you're gardening. I'm going to tell you it's important to warm up before you do these things, that you should take some breaks. And if you have to lift a bag of leaves, lift with your legs and not with your back. And if you have to lift something, don't lift it with outstretched arms. Bring the object close to your body and then lift it. Now go to the website and get that article from my bestseller, Knockout Pain, Secrets to Maintain a Healthy Back. And the next time you're in your yard, if you follow these 10 steps, it'll help you to prevent getting a back sprain. So enjoy your gardening, and I'll be back again next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday. Subscribe below.